All right. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening from anywhere you might be joining us from. So today marks the day 25 of our Excel work hour. So that means we are crossing the border of the first part to the second part. So today is the 25 of our Microsoft Excel work hour. So first let me tell you this. I would love to know what you've gained so far from the classes, what you feel like, okay, from the classes, I think this should be done to make it better, that should be done to make it better. So I want to hear from you today. I want to hear from you today. So make sure you comment on what do you think, okay, what can be done, and other things like that. Exactly. So I would love to hear from you. And I hope you've been following the assignment correction because there is actually a new playlist for the assignment also. So you should find the playlist on this channel. Exactly. So that assignment playlist has been created. It is different from the normal playlist we have for what our result work hour. Hope that's clear. So and I hope the assignment has been assisting you so far in this class. Now, without wasting much of our time, we love to get started into this class. Now, what are we learning today? Because we've learned some different functions, and one of the functions we've learned different functions, especially on lookup function. We've learned how to use XLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, match and index. And today we are coming here again to come and learn another function under lookup function. Now this particular function, it's how will I say it? It's I can say it is one of the best. In fact, it is the best lookup function. Best lookup function. Why? Because all those restrictions we have in our VLOOKUP, we don't have it for XLOOKUP. Yes, all those your lookup value must be the leftmost, nothing must be in front of your lookup value, your lookup value cannot look to the back. No, all those things we don't have them for what? For our XLOOKUP. Exactly. Another thing about XLOOKUP is that the way our VLOOKUP request for table array, what our XLOOKUP only request for is our what? Column array. Exactly, column array. And also our XLOOKUP also what else? Is column array, and it also gives us what? Some other chances. Okay, is it exact match you want? Is it less than? Is it greater than? And what else? I think it gives us the option of what if not available. So, exactly. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into today's class. Now, let's go on what for ants and properties. Now we have equals to x lookup like this. Don't forget I said what x lookup it is also what it is also what a lookup function. Now the first thing is going to be asking us about is our lookup value. Exactly. Then lookup array. Now we've learned some things in our previous classes, so I felt like let us start using everything we've learned in our class together. So now instead of saying you want to diag like this now, equals to x lookup, you can say this and come here and start dragging. So we've learned a better way of doing that. So don't let us drag. Now the next first is what let us select everything. Control shift down, control shift right. Then you come to what our formulas. From there we go to our create from selection. So yes, we want to create what the name of each column with the top row. That means product should be what the name of this particular column. Whenever I call product, all the data under product should show. Whenever I call category like that. So I'll just say okay like this. Yes. So now let us come here. Let me click on product. You can see it information. Now let me come again. Let me click on category date. Can you see it? Let me click on category. Can you see it? So that is it. Now so let us continue. We have our so I have equals to what x lookup like this. And what's my lookup value? So this is my lookup value like this. What's that? Okay, sorry. X lookup. This is my lookup value, comma. What is my lookup area? So what? My lookup area is what? Unique identifier. You can see it. like this, comma. Then what's my return array? I want to return what? My sales. This is sales, comma. Now it's asking me if it is not available, what should it give me? Now I'll just say okay, just say what not found. Not found. Exactly. Then the next note is asking me is it exact match or next smaller than. So as always you always use our exact match. Then what else? Two meters you want to stop as if let's stop here. Then what is enter like this. You can use our autofill. Can you see now our what ID is 011? What's our sales here? 177. Can you see it? Or what do you want to it's 12? What do we have a 7 after? Can you see it? Now let us do something. Let us alter this intentionally. So let us alter it intentionally. So we want to see if it's going to return that not found for us. Can you see it? So when we alter this, what can you see? Not found. Why? Because of what we've said for any lookup value you can't find in the lookup array, instead of giving me error sign, just give me what not found. So that's why I'm having this all this clear. Now let's go to for our category. So equals to x lookup like this. Then what this is my lookup value, comma. What is my lookup array? Same thing, unique identifier, comma. What is our return array? Just say what category, comma. Then what if not found? If not found, what should we use? Let me say keep searching. Sorry, let's say keep searching is what. Let's say keep searching. Now what exact match? Let me close and enter. What can you see? Keep searching. Exactly. Or I can even say okay. You can see correct the ID. Let me use this word correct the ID. Okay. Let me do for what? Let me do for my region. Yes, let me do for my region. So I can just equals to X lookup. And so what's my lookup array? This comma. Now what's my return array? My lookup array but unique identifier. What's my return array? Region. So if not from what should I say? Let's say correct the ID. ID. It is wrong. It is wrong. Like that, then so what is X match? Just close enter. Can you see correct the ID it is wrong? So that's how to use our X lookup. Exactly. So hope we have no question. Now can you see that what my unique identifier is here and what I'm using my X lookup? If it is my V lookup, it is not going to what give me what I'm looking for. Exactly. So that's the advantage of what X lookup over what HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. Exactly. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in our class by this time tomorrow. Don't forget to watch, do your assignments, submit it to me on WhatsApp via the number below. Also, please subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in our class tomorrow. Bye. Do have a nice day.